This tutorial is going to provide you with an overview of Explain Everything, which is an app that you can download onto your iPad that allows you to create video tutorials. There are several benefits to creating a tutorial using Explain Everything. But to begin with, once you've downloaded the app, you'll select either a template, as seen here in this image above, that you would use to create your presentation, or you can use from existing materials that you've created before. So for example, you can import photos, you can import an entire presentation that you've created using Office or Evernote or any one of the programs that you have installed and have used, and you can import that presentation directly into Explain Everything, and it will create the slides for you. Then you can go back and annotate them and narrate them and add video. This demonstrates the different tools and variety of tools that are available in Explain Everything. As you can see here, I've got each of them listed, from drawing tool, object tool, text tool, which I use to input the information. One of the most important ones is the insert object, because this is where it allows you to import other objects from different programs. So I can import photos and I can insert different videos or presentations that I've created. Or I can create a new one. Below that is delete or the eraser. Then you've got your laser pointer, the ability to arrange your objects and lock them and group them. Undo, which is always a favorite. Zooming in, presentation view, and the ability to choose different colors to annotate your screen. So whether I choose blue or red and change my red to purple now, I'm able to annotate the screen using my drawing tool. So when you're creating your videos and your tutorials, one of the great features is obviously keeping track of our slides, what we're on, what we're annotating, the ability to add new slides using this feature right here, and then the recording, which is what I'm doing now to develop the presentation. I can click on the record button, and then if I select right here and choose this up arrow, it gives me an option to fade in my voice, or if I want to cut any of the material that I've set out, I can delete it out. So it gives me a variety of options to choose from. Creating a video is great, but then what do you do with it? Now it's just on your computer or your iPad. Now you actually have to share it with others, and nothing could be better than sharing your opinion or your information with the world. So to do that, they provide a variety of options. For myself, I've created a YouTube channel. I also use the Google Drive, which allows me to export them and then share them with maybe just certain classes or certain organizations that I belong to. The same holds true for when I'm using Dropbox. Vimeo is another great option that you can use, but as you can see here, there's a variety that are available. Whether you want to share a video, create a PDF out of this, share just images, or the project so that others can actually edit it and add their input into your presentation. This last clip is just showing you that you can not only save it and export it out to a YouTube channel or any one of the other, whether you're sharing it through Google Docs or OneDrive or a variety of the other options that are available, you also can save it internally. So instead of choosing the box that has the arrow pointed up, which allows you to export it out, what do? We choose the one with the arrow pointing in, which means we're saving it internally. So to do that, we input our project name and click on Save, and that way we have our project should we want to return, edit, go back and look at it and say, oh, I don't like the way I annotated this, I don't like the way I sound, I don't like the way I look, what have you. You have it available to edit and explain everything. So that about does it for the Explain Everything tutorial. I invite you to learn more about some of the features and use it to create tutorials for your students. And I hope you've enjoyed the tutorial. Good luck.